Due to the huge amounts of panic buying going across most of Europe, I have developed software to simulate the panic buying of essential items and demonstrate the negative effect it has upon a population. Here is our shopper. He has three needs: food, water, and hygiene products, such as toilet paper. Every day, if he feels he does not have a sufficient amount of resources, he will go to the shop and collect some. If an item is not available in the shop due to it being sold out, then the shop will begin to panic more, meaning he will buy more items to keep for himself. Here is the shop, with food, hygiene products, and water. Each day the shop refills, and each shopper will use up some of their items, shown above their heads. The panic on the left is the average panic level of the whole population. Let's start with one shopper to demonstrate how this shopping system works. As you can see, with the one shopper, this system is sustainable and can continue forever with no panic. There are now 20 shoppers competing for resources, so let's see how this affects the shop and the distribution of items among the population. You can see here that the panic has begun to spread through the population, causing chaos and an unfair distribution of items. We can say this system is not in equilibrium, so the shop is too small and the shoppers use too many resources. But the main issue with this model is all the shoppers use resources at the exact same rate as each other, meaning they all go to the shop at the same day, which means they cannot get all the resources and panic will begin. Whereas on other days, the shop may not even be visited once and all the customers are satisfied. I have fixed the simulation, so now it is in equilibrium, by making the usage rate of the items randomized, meaning the shoppers will visit on different days. Also, to demonstrate how huge panic can be created by a single shopper, I have set a single shopper to be incredibly panicked at the beginning. This is shown by the red eyes, which will only appear on very panicked shoppers. You can see, this panic spreads incredibly quickly throughout the population, until almost everybody is panicked about the resources, and the distribution of these items is incredibly unfair. Overall, this shows that a single individual can cause huge harm and induce panic within a population by panic buying, and this can incredibly harm the vulnerable members of our population.